We have launched a major refresh of our entire DAM user experience, taking into account all the feedback that you shared with us over the past years regarding the navigation or the search experience. And I'm happy to present what all has been improved in this new refresh. First up, when you head to the media library, you will find the entire interface is now much more cleaner. The choice of icons, the text, everything has been improved, keeping in mind the feedback that we got. All the important information, including the file name, its format, its size, resolution, and we have also provided easy options to copy the file name or copy the URL so that you can share them with the team. Power users will also find it easier to just select all the files by either dragging through the assets, using their keyboard to navigate through the assets. It's just much more simpler and much more similar to the experience that you have on your native OS. We have also added a very useful preview feature so that you can see all the asset details, including the tags and the custom metadata on the right hand side. And then you can just navigate through the assets using your keyboard navigation keys, and you would be able to see all the asset details on the right and even edit them right from this view itself. You can also now copy the file path, the file ID, which again makes it really easy if you want to use this ID with some APIs or you just want to share the file path with your teammates. It's not just the navigation, but even the actions have been simplified. Now, when you right click on an asset, you will find all the actions neatly organized in different categories, which makes it just easier to do what you want to do in the DAM. And the same options are also available at the top, right? So you have multiple ways to interact with the media library. These improvements also extend to the asset detail view. You can now see that the asset occupies a much wider width, making it easier for you to view the assets or to view the versions, to view all the information that's there on the right. And again, take all the actions that you need to take on this asset right from this detail view. And the best part, now when you close this asset view, you go back to the exact same position where you were before you went to the asset detail view. Another major improvement comes with the search functionality. You can now press the slash key to access the search at any time, or the search is accessible at the top as always. And if you start now typing in your query, you would be able to see all the files, all the folders, tags, and even collections in the same search view. And when you press enter, you would be taken to a single unified search view with the files, folders, and collections, all of them in one place. You can simply then press Command A to select all of these assets and then download them either for social media or download all the details as a CSV file as well. Not just this, if you're an advanced user, you can add more filters based on tags or size, dimensions, etc., or even combine this search with other custom metadata or embedded metadata parameters. And if that was not enough, we have added a more advanced query view as well, where more advanced users can actually just type out a query like a programming language and find the exact assets that they need. The navigation or the asset selection, let's say I want to select all the assets, it would work seamlessly even if you have thousands of assets loaded on the same page. And one last small update, the media collections now also get their own thumbnails like the one that you see over here. There's a lot more that has improved in the media library, including the path policies, the new image editor, and we keep rolling out updates almost every week. If you would like to try out some of these features or if you would want to get a demo, feel free to reach out to our team.